Imagine this. You're driving down the road, windows rolled down, and your dog is sitting comfortably, safe and happy in the back seat. But here's the truth. Not every car is designed with pets in mind. So today, we're counting down the top 5 cars every dog owner should consider in 2025. Because your furry friend deserves comfort, safety, and a little luxury too. Let's start with a classic favorite, the Subaru Outback. Dog owners love it for a reason. It's spacious. Has a low cargo floor, so your pup can jump in easily. And Subaru even offers pet safety accessories like harnesses, gates, and travel crates. And here's the kicker. The Outback's rear air conditioning vents keep your dog cool, even on hot summer days. This car isn't just pet-friendly, it's practically built for adventure-loving dogs. Next up, the Honda CR-V Hybrid. Why hybrid? Because more and more pet parents are looking for eco-friendly options. The CR-V is quiet, smooth, and fuel-efficient, which means less engine noise to stress your dog out. Its hands-free power tailgate makes loading pet supplies effortless, and the flat cargo space means your dog has plenty of room to stretch out. It's comfort, efficiency, and practicality all in one. At number 3, the Tesla Model Y. If you're a dog owner, you'll love this one for a very special reason. It has dog mode, a feature designed to keep your pup safe and cool inside the car while you run errands. The touchscreen even displays a message that says, "My owner will be back soon," and the AC is on. No more worrying about your pet overheating. Volvo has always been about safety, and that extends to your pets too. The XC60 comes with advanced air filtration, wide-opening rear doors, and crash-tested pet barriers you can buy directly from Volvo. For families with kids and dogs, this SUV is like a fortress on wheels. Comfortable, safe, and stylish. Plus, the leather-free interior option means muddy paws are a lot easier to clean. And at number 1, the Ford Bronco Sport. Why? Because it's rugged, adventurous, and absolutely pet-friendly. It has a built-in cargo management system, washable rubberized flooring, and even a liftgate with built-in lighting. Perfect for late-night dog park trips. The Bronco Sport isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. If you and your pup love road trips, hiking, and exploring, this is the ultimate dog lover's vehicle in 2025. So there you have it, the top 5 cars every dog owner should consider in 2025. From the adventurous Subaru Outback to the high-tech Tesla Model Y, these cars prove one thing. Our dogs deserve just as much comfort and safety as we do. Which car would your dog pick? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more pet-friendly reviews.